Alright, so we got the Eibach sway bars here. I also bought them on Black Friday, like the hood struts. The box is a little, well, crushed. Yeah, I'm not really sure. It's actually kind of wet too. The couch is the only thing big enough right now that I can put it on. So, I mean, it's kind of sagging in the middle, but the box is also wet and it's also, like, just crushed. But let's go ahead and open this guy up and see what we get in the box. Alright. Oh yeah, that is soaked. So in the box we have, trying to adjust the lighting here. In the box we have the upper and lower, what am I talking about? We have the front and rear sway bar. Looks like some instructions here. With some parts, hardware, the bushings, some stickers, and that's it. So they do have this nice red powder coating here. They are pretty heavy actually. I kind of thought they'd be light. They feel pretty solid. Hopefully they'll be a major upgrade to what I have now. They are the adjustable, so at the end they do have the holes there that you can adjust, pick your setting, mix and match, find whatever is right for you. You can either make it an all-out track car, street car, you know, just about. But yeah, this is what you get in the box. I mean, it's kind of a sad box, but looks like everything is cool. We got the links right here. Looks like we even have some... Oh man, this lighting is terrible. Got some adapters. Looks like a little bit of Loctite. Let's open the bag up and see what we got. Alright, so this is what it looks like with everything out of the bag. Looks like we got a couple tubes of grease, some Loctite. We got the links, the bushings, I believe these go to the rear. I'm not quite sure yet. This version is actually greasable, and that's one of the main factors of why I've got it. I figure if I can grease it, I can make it last longer. And we're going to try not to lose these little small parts as I keep turning them around. Alright, but this is what it is. It's unboxed. We got the instructions here. We're going to go ahead with the install. That'll be in a different video. If you like this video, interested in this part, any questions, feel free to go ahead and give me a thumbs up, comment, like, subscribe, you know, the usual stuff here. The next video will be the install video, and that'll come up shortly. But thank you for joining me, and I'm excited for this kit. I'm excited to see how the Mustang is gonna react to it, and see how better the turns, the curves, and how much less of a body roll I'll get with these. I know in my Mustang, since it is a V6, I only actually have the one sway bar. I don't have the rear sway bar. So that should alone be a major upgrade with getting a rear sway bar in there. Alright, so I'll see you guys in the next video.